Grandpa, Granny, this is a camera stabilizer. If you want to record anything, it is rather useful because it helps to keep the video steady. You mount the camera here. With a simple gesture, you put it on the device. The next thing you need to do is to balance the device before you use it. The Weebill-S can easily handle almost all mirrorless and heavier DSLR combos. If this cable is plugged in, then you can pull the focus. Furthermore, we can use other creative modes. With this mode, it will follow your pan movements, but the camera will not tilt at all. You can manually set the tilt when you are changing elevation. Here the tilt and pan are locked. This shooting mode will allow you to get stunning hyperlapses. With this one, the tilt and pan are engaged. The camera will follow the handle movements from all directions. This uses all three axes to capture every fast movement. In this mode, I can create 360 point of view videos. This is the V mode. The V stands for vortex. That's because it lets you create 360 barrel roll shots. One of the biggest advantages of the Weebill is that you can make low-angle shots thanks to its sling mode. The all-new transmount image transmission module in its compact size can be directly mounted under the quick-release plate neatly. This enables the transmission of the live feed up to 100 meters away. The gimbal is small and compact, so it can fit a small backpack, and its battery can last for 14 hours.